You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You are going to love the 2018 Stinger. The Kia Stinger has a design that is sure to leave an impression. It offers the perfect combination of a sporty look coupled with a wide variety of luxurious features. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.